Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to our channel Happy Moments. And today Nilansh is going to solve this Rubik's puzzle 3 by 3, and I have shuffled it, and he is going to solve this in the shortest possible time.
I can.
Yeah, so he has learnt it, and we would like to shoot this video to see that how Nilansh is going to solve it. Okay, Nilansh, your time starts now. Okay, you've done it now. Okay, just show us all the faces of the Rubik's so that I'm
Blue,
sure that you have done it. Yeah, yeah.
blue side, white side, red, green, orange, yellow.
Okay, thank you, Nilansh. Thank you for showing this video. Thank you very much.
Bye. Subscribe.